Shubham, hello, how are you?
Yes,
How was the day?
I'm fine, sir. What about you? Good,
I'm
sir.
good.
What about you?
I'm good. So, first of all, tell me
Okay, sir.
something about you.
Okay, sir. As you know, my name is Shubham Kothari.
Okay.
I have born and brought up in Bhilwara. Also, I have done my schooling from Bhilwara, Rajasthan only. Then I have done BTech in mechanical engineering, and after BTech, I have done LLB. Currently, I am working in UST Global, which is an IT and electronics company, as a validation associate. Apart from the apart from this, I like to cook food and make different flavored tea.
Okay. Very good.
Yes,
You mean you are health conscious person, right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Little bit.
Okay. Very good. Do you perform any kind of exercise like yoga or you go to gym or anywhere?
Actually, sir, previously uh, I was going for the running exercises. Actually, due to workload and leave them.
ओके। इसके साथ ही साथ फ्रेंड्स आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो जो IBACIO इंटरव्यू के लिए स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन की गई है। इसमें आपको 100+ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे जिनको आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, जो आप लोगों के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके साथ ही साथ करेंट और रीसेंट टॉपिक जो सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स हैं और जो करेंट टॉपिक्स हैं उनको भी इसमें कंप्लीटली आपको कवर किया गया है, तो उसको भी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। ऑलमोस्ट आपको 50 से ज़्यादा टॉपिक जो है करेंट एंड सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे और 100+ यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो क्वेश्चन आंसर के फॉर्म में होंगे वो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे और लोएस्ट कॉस्ट में आपको ये बुक मिल जाएगी। एडिशनल 30% डिस्काउंट भी आपको मिल जाएगा। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दोस्तों लिंक दिया गया है, वहाँ से जाके आप इसको बाय कर सकते हो। गुड।
Yes, sir.
नाउ what do you think what are the at present scenario, what are the steps have been taken by the government to tackle the drug trafficking in India?
Okay, sir. Sir, they are continuously monitoring the Arunachal Myanmar border on the More part in Arunachal, and from east side they are monitoring Pakistan border for the drug trafficking. Yes, sir.
So what are the steps
And
that
different.
actually government take with regard to legislation or any other schemes or programs, whatever you know about?
Sir, currently program I don't know, but surely I will read it. But I know that there is a narcotics control bureau in our government which controls the drug trafficking and drug related issues. And
Okay.
also government set up different medical institutions for uh, drug addicts.
Okay. So what do you think? What are the steps have to be taken with respect to Jammu and Kashmir for peacekeeping, keeping in that union territory?
Okay, sir. Actually, government have to make one committee in which member of both Jammu and Kashmir and center should be there, so that they can also uh, put forward their points that what kind of state they need. So I think in a peaceful manner.
Okay. What other steps should be taken with respect to militancy in that union territory?
For militancy, continuous monitoring should be there, and agencies should keep an eye on the suspected persons. They need to monitor financial transactions, and
Okay.
also currently yeah, bitcoins cryptocurrency are there, so I think they should regulate them so that they can reduce this kind of things.
Okay. Can you elaborate how Bitcoin or cryptocurrency can be a threat for the economy of our country?
Okay, sir. Actually, sir, cryptocurrency is highly volatile, first of all,
Okay.
and second thing is secrecy, and third one is no regulation body is there. So both the three factors, I think these are large factors which we have to consider. So I think these are the only three factors which
Okay.
can affect us.
Okay. So what will be the impact with respect to that on our economy or on our GDP?
Sir, first of all, if they are using cryptocurrency, then they did not have to use the traditional way of money laundering. As I said earlier, that it is very secretive.
Okay.
So, and yes, sir. So this is the biggest threat I know.
Have you heard about Kothari Commission?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Now tell me something. Do you know which committee has recommended the new education policy 2020?
Sorry, sir. I have not read yet the new education policy.
Okay,
So,
no
but
problem.
surely I will read it. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you think? What are your key areas that you need development?
First of all, sir, work and life balance that I need the most because currently I'm in working plus I'm studying. So I need to. This is the main key area because currently my health is affecting more. That's why I need to balance this one only.
Okay. So, after joining this job, how will you manage this work life and your family life actually, social life?
Sir, there is no problem with my social life. But if I get this job, then I don't have to study more.
Okay.
Then I have to work only. Yeah. Then I think I will get enough time to manage these kind of things.
Okay, that's good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Suppose you are appointed in an area that is Naxalite, right? And
Yes,
you
sir.
you are appointed an SP of that area. So
Okay, sir.
what will be the steps you will take so that the Naxalites activity of that area may be reduced, or the
Ye-
issue may be resolved as much as possible?
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, I will make contacts of mine there. So I will get uh, every information from that area.
Okay.
Then I will talk with the local government also for the development processes and like a proper implementation of policy made by government.
Okay. Any specific activity you will do in that area?
Yes, sir. Uh, like currently, Jharkhand government is providing honey bag to the women, tribal women. So I can also do this kind of developmental things so that they can
Okay.
earn and
What
remove their
just
deficits.
talking. I just want to know. You are appointed an SP of that area, right? What will be your role with respect to that?
My basic role is to cope with the Naxalism there. Uh, sir, as I said that I will first of all I will make contacts. Then I will try to find out the problems.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the hiding areas of Naxalites, so that we can take actions against them.
Okay. No problem. Have you heard
Yes,
about Chauri Chaura Kand, which was happened in our history?
yes, sir.
What was that?
After sir, Chori Chora Kand is uh, that was the I think violent act that was happened. After that, the Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement in 1922. In Chori Chora Hatyakand, police officers were killed by the Indian public.
Okay. Very good. Have you heard about endoplasmic reticulum? It is a part of a
Yes,
cell, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, what is
Yes,
it,
sir.
or
Yes.
what are its functions?
Endoplasmic. Currently, sir, I can't recall it.
Okay, no problem. Do you know
Yes, sir.
where we get DNA in a cell?
DNA, mitochondria, sir, in a cell.
Okay. Apart from that, any other place
Nucleus.
we can get?
Nucleus.
Okay.
Nucleus, sir.
Okay. So, what do you think? Which part of the nucleus we get the DNA? Actually, nucleus also have two or three components. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in which part or in which component we get the DNA?
Currently, sir, I don't know, but surely I will read it after the interview.
Okay, no problem. Actually,
Yes, sir.
your nucleus contains chromosomes, right? In chromosomes,
Yes, sir. Chromosome.
we get DNA in chromosomes.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So what do you think? What are the present situation with respect to COVID-19 new variant that is Omicron in India?
Omicron. Yes, sir. Sir, the scientific name of Omicron is B.1.529. So currently it is spreading very fastly. The first case was detected in Bengaluru, then Jaipur. Now currently it is spreading in Maharashtra.
Okay.
So this is this virus is a concerned virus in terms of WHO.